Welcome back to the channel. We're Mark and Beck, and this is Everyday Eats.
We've got something different again. So we're comparing supermarket sausage rolls to
GREGGS sausage rolls from Iceland.
So let's get it in the van. So we're going to compare the GREGGS sausage rolls. Now that's the bake at home ones. So we've got the ones from Aldi.
And these branded up as the Crestwood range.
It says baked from frozen 30 minutes. I'm imagining on the
it's
back.
Faster on the air fryer,
Faster
isn't it?
on the air fryer, yeah. Seasoned pork sausage meat wrapped in a flaky golden puff pastry.
Sounds amazing.
Sounds lovely. And these are from
Lidl. And these are the Chef
Select.
Selected by a chef.
Okay, so cooked from frozen again. 26 minutes, these ones. Must be smaller. Seasoned sausage meat wrapped in a puff pastry. So it says seasoned sausage meat. That one specifies pork, this doesn't. Just saying.
It's probably hopefully sausage meat, the same thing, really.
So I'm quite a lover of sausage rolls, but I don't think I want to eat 12 between us.
Be a bit much, wouldn't it?
So we'll just cook a couple each.
So we selected the ones from Aldi and from Lidl, because let's face it, they're the wannabes, aren't they? So we didn't want to kind of get 20 or 30 different ones.
No.
Can't eat that many.
No.
But these are kind of branded to be like GREGGS. I'm going to say knockoffs.
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
To be fair, these are the ones I most know as well. So put it in the comments if you know to any others, like, I don't know, in Tesco or other supermarkets, other brands. I'm sure there's others that do them. These are just two we've selected. Two of the most popular brands. So, as if by the power of magic, to know which ones are which, we've put them in alphabetical order. Smart thinking, that, isn't it?
It was great, wasn't it? Yeah, well, fantastic.
Aldi, GREGGS, Lidl.
Okay.
So, know my alphabet. Straight away, we can see a difference in colour.
Yeah. So the Aldi ones are yet more yellow, followed by the GREGGS, and the Lidl ones are quite pasty.
They look anemic.
Don't know whether it's the egg wash, whether there's an egg wash on it, we're not sure, but I suppose it depends when it cooks, really, what it looks like.
And then the only other thing to report is that the GREGGS ones do come in a nice little tray.
Little tray, yeah.
That I'd imagine you're paying for.
Yeah, so there's a little bit more packaging for your recycling. Obviously, when you have them in the packet and you're walking around, that's great, but would you have them with some sauce? These type of sausage rolls, which are more of your traditional, less spiced and seasoned, tend to be better warm, don't they?
Yes.
You've got to be warm. We're locked in. When it says turn halfway, is it the sausage rolls or is it...
Do we have to turn? Because it's very difficult in a van.
Round. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. Right then, something interesting that I've just noticed. The Aldi and the GREGGS, 20% pork for finished product. So that's not 20% of the sausage meat, it's 20% of the whole thing. However, the Lidl one, 26%. So are you getting better value for your money there? I mean, I suppose it's the taste that we're looking for, isn't it? So that's going to be the deciding factor.
I don't know if we're getting better value for money. We don't know how much they cost. Hit me with it, baby. Okay, so GREGGS pack of sausage rolls, £3.50.
Yeah.
That seems like a lot, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, you've got to cook them as well. It's not like you're going to the shop. Now, when you buy one, this is round by us, guys, because every GREGGS is going to be different, aren't they? One sausage roll by us,
£1.30.
so £1.30. That's obviously that it's baked and you can have it warm. £1.30.
Yeah.
Or £3.50 for four that you've got to bake yourself. I don't think it's great value when you've got to cook them yourself as well, let's face it. Both Lidl and Aldi sausage rolls are both the same price. £1.15.
That's a big difference, isn't it?
£3.50, £1.15.
Yeah, you can buy 3 packs, couldn't you? Yeah, if you've got a family or some kids and that, and you wanted to use them as part of your... You're
not buying them, are you? That's still a rip-off. That means they're making a fortune out of them. If they can do these for £1.15, why can't they do them for, say, £1.50 maybe?
Yeah. Are you paying for the name? That's the thing, isn't it? because it does feel like we're being ripped off.
Are you paying for a tray?
Paying for a tray. That tray could be £2.35.
£2 worth, that is.
But,
these trays are ever so expensive. We've got to look after this.
Yeah,
Reuse
definitely.
it.
Right, I just heard the oven ping, so
let's have a look then.
Right, so we've just finished on the air fryer. Looking golden on the outside. They've all had the same amount in there.
Ooh, I've got to say, folks, they do smell nice. And on the end.
The Lidl. Well, still looking a little bit pasty, isn't it?
Yes, it is, yeah. Interestingly, that's not lost that yellow colour from Aldi.
No. Let's have a look at the ones first then. So the Aldi one here. That's quite nice golden colour.
Like I say, it's not lost, it's...
No, it's like a yellowy colour.
Like a yellowy tinge to it. So here we've got Aldi, GREGGS and Lidl. Okay, so try and get you a bit of a close-up. What we'll do is turn each of them round so you can actually see the sausage meat as well.
They all look quite well filled, don't they, actually?
They do, actually. I'm quite surprised. There's a lot of meat in there, isn't there?
Yeah, there is, yeah.
Right then, so now you've seen the close-up. So
I think we should try the GREGGS one first, because that's the one I'm most familiar with. I haven't tried the other ones before.
And it is the one that we are testing it to, isn't it?
Yeah.
You always go first, so...
I ain't going to do the sniffing. They all smell like sausage rolls. No point smelling them. Give this one a go.
Yeah? Familiar?
Yeah.
Let's me try this GREGGS then. Yep.
I'm going to remember that flavour. So I think I'm going to try the Aldi next. What's this one? Oh, we need to have a chin chin.
Thank you to one of our subscribers who said to do that.
Give this one a go. Aldi.
Now the pastry seemed to flake off a bit more then on the Aldi one. There's an intense look on his face.
I'm not sure about the sausage meat. I'm going to have to try again. I think the pastry seems better on the Aldi one. I'm going to have to go in again for the sausage meat, I think, because they are slightly different. So I'm going to take a nibble of this one again.
Should have some background music.
The sausage meat in the GREGGS one is finer than the one in the Aldi one, and the Aldi one there's maybe a little bit more seasoning.
I know what you mean.
Can't quite.
But I have to say, there's not much difference.
There's not much difference, is
As
there?
in, you know what you'd expect a plain sausage roll to be like.
Yeah.
That Aldi one is quite good.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm impressed by that. Try your Lidl one then.
No, I'm not keen on that at all.
Oh.
I'm not keen on the pastry or the sausage meat. It's okay, but it's not something I would rave about. It's nowhere near a copy of the GREGGS one.
Right, let's go for the Lidl one.
Tastes totally different. Texture and taste totally different, I thought.
I don't like that. That tastes processed.
Yeah, there's not.
You know what I mean?
There's something quite not right with
the
that.
other two taste like you're eating a sausage, like the inside of a linked sausage, sausage meat.
Yeah.
Lidl. Right, getting Lidl packaging. Right, I'm going to investigate what Mark has.
And it's got more sausage meat in, but that's not the flavour. I'm going to go in again on it.
That says sausage meat, so the Aldi one is the one that mentions pork.
The meat seems a little bit gelatinous consistency.
26% pork, yeah. So I'm going to remind myself of the GREGGS.
I've tried them without having something in between, so you can taste the flavour as it changes as well.
Right, I've got that in my mouth. No, nothing wrong with the pastry.
The pastry's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the Aldi one, isn't it? You've got there.
More seasoned sausage meat.
in the Aldi one.
Would you agree?
I'd say there's a more of a seasoning.
There's almost like I wouldn't say a Cumberland, but you know when they say seasoning like sage and stuff.
Yeah.
There's something in that. It's more than the seasoning in the Greggs. The Greggs is plainer.
It's plainer, yeah. The consistency of the sausage meat and the pastry is very similar.
Personally, I don't think the Lidl would be worth buying again.
No, I would be happy never to have that again.
I think that seems like like a mixture of things, not just sausage meat. It seems like formed meat. And
so I think I'm going to sum mine up, and I'm going to say that I probably do prefer the Greggs over the Aldi by a small bit. By a small bit. That doesn't really make up in the price for me though, and I don't know whether I prefer the Greggs one because I'm very familiar with the flavour, so I'm constantly comparing anything to it.
We talked about this when we did the McDonald's breakfast, didn't we? If you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. We recreated a McDonald's breakfast, and the same happened there. We liked the breakfast that we made, but the McDonald's was more familiar, so we enjoyed it more. So I think the same's happening here.
I think we mentioned that. So you've probably all tried a Big Mac, more than likely, but you could go out and buy the ingredients and buy higher quality beef, meat, better bun. You could go, but it wouldn't taste like a Big Mac.
No.
So it's the familiarity of the taste. I think that sometimes, even if you use better ingredients, it might taste a bit weird.
Let us know in the comments, but I think this is what McDonald's did brilliantly.
Yeah.
If you think of a Big Mac, I think you can
taste it, can't you?
Because it's so familiar. But this is the same, in my opinion. We're just used to the Greggs a bit more. So, yes, I agree. Greggs would be my first choice. Aldi my second. I would never buy Lidl again. So
I'm going to put a score on mine. I'm going to say, I'm not mad on sausage rolls, by the way. I'm going to give Greggs an 8. I'm going to give the Aldi a 7.5, and I'm going to give the Lidl. Honestly, I could quite happily not ever have one of them again, to be honest. But at the end of the day, it's preference, isn't it? I think I'll give that maybe a 4.
I'm going to go for a 9.5. I do like sausage rolls. Yeah. 9.5 for the Greggs.
Steak back for the win.
And I'm going to say 9.5 for the Greggs. I'm going to go a 9 for the Aldi. I really enjoyed that. And then the Lidl. I would never have that again. So
I would never have that again.
I'm going to give it a 3.
It's nowhere near a copy.
At the end of the day, it's personal preference with taste. We all say this, don't we? And, whatever sausage rolls you have, let us know in the comments and why you like them. What is it about the flavour? It could be just the pastry, couldn't it? Yeah.
I think the Aldi's pastry was the best.
Best, yes.
There was. Yes. I think with the Greggs one, there was some softer pastry inside, and I think that could be where the fat from the sausages run into it, but it was a bit claggy, I'm going to say.
I'm going to go for the Aldi one, I think, overall, because of the price.
I would buy the Aldi ones definitely over everything. So we'll have a quick look and we'll tell you the price per sausage roll, because that would be interesting, wouldn't it?
Okay.
So
bear with us.
Quick maths. Aldi and the Lidl, just a shade under 29p per sausage roll. Plus the cooking, obviously.
It's pretty good, isn't it, there? 29 pence. Well, the Greggs comes in at a whopping 87.5 pence.
87.5 pence. So, on that bombshell, I think I'll go for the Aldi, because obviously, with the state of the cost of living and everything these days, it's a no-brainer. There's not much difference in the flavour. No,
and I totally agree with you. I would buy the Aldi at home. I think Greggs, it's known for the shop, isn't it? You go in, it's convenience food.
Yeah, we'd still have the odd one.
The odd one, but steak bag, whatever.
Steak bag wins every time.
Because it's convenient, it's hot, it's there, isn't it?
Yeah.
But when you're at home, these buy-at-home ones, Aldi every time.
Yeah, definitely. No, I was quite surprised.
That is just our opinion, so make sure you tell us yours, because we love to hear it, and we always get back to every comment.
Yeah.
We just want to take a second just to say a massive thank you to everybody who has watched, commented, liked and got involved with our baked beans video. It's the first video we've done on the channel that's been a hit, so we wanted to say a massive thanks to everybody for getting involved. Every video we do might not be your choice, but please join in.
Yeah.
And make sure in the comments you always tell us what you want us to review. We've got a big long list now of everything in the comments from that video.
We'll get round to them.
We will.
We'll get round to them.
We've had some great ideas coming in. Sausage rolls was one of them. Like I said, the positivity's been lovely.
Yeah.
Especially when people put that they've enjoyed it and they can see that what we're about. You know, we're just a couple who like to have a bit of fun, a bit of banter and enjoy ourselves. And we do like to do videos and entertain. So
thank you very much for watching this video, and consider subscribing so you'll get the notifications if you hit the bell of every time we upload a new video. And give us a like, comments in the box below, and we'll always get back to you. So
we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so wheat. Well, that's it. It's wheat.
It's just got wheat in it. That's interesting. Now there's only one allergy, and the GREGGS ones had got. What was the other allergies? Let me.
Barley and milk.
Wheat.
Right. So we've got wheat. We've got barley. And we've got sodium metabisulfide, which I'm getting used to saying, and we've got soya.